The common people feel miners are robbers, miners are scamsters, they make money overnight and not able to realize themselves that minerals they are using in one form or other in their day-to-day activity, in their every minute of their life. The houses they live in, the roads they go, the cars they ride. To tell you, the minerals are so interlinked with the mankind, right from the hairpin to the aircraft, the minerals are originated. Source is the mineral. So that is the interwoven link between the human needs and the mineral. But unfortunately, God has not given the minerals everywhere. They are location specific. We have to mine where nature has endowed with. While doing so, definitely Mother Earth has to undergo pain. Like mother undergo pain while delivering a child. But it is for pleasure. Mother Earth also, when once the minerals are taken out, it feels pleasure. Yes, I serve to the mankind. It is true. Environmental degradation takes place, but it is also true. Minerals cannot be planted anywhere you like. You have to mine where they are occurring. So that is a bare fact one should realize. But nevertheless, we also realize, we the professionals, particularly environmental degradation, what he has pointed out is very true, mine closure. In fact, Nagar Saab, Dr. Ajay Kumar, who are the in the MOEF body, fortunately they are also present here and they know and they are day in and day out seeing the entrepreneurs presenting their proposals and obtaining environmental clearances, so they know the whole drill. So here it is a fact that particularly the minor minerals, wherever they are digging, they are just digging. Even in the forest, since forest obtaining mining leases in forest is next to the impossibility, they dig elsewhere in the forest itself, but show in the small lease of 1 hectare or 2 hectares, unfortunately being granted in such small extents also, show the mineral as if dug here and they leave the pits as it is. But the environmental closure plan, whatever the IBM approves, the mining plan, is very seldom practiced. So it is we, the professionals, should insist. Maybe the owner owning the mines and he is interested in making the money. But we, the professionals, should see that these factors are practiced and erase the negative perception that has in the minds of the common man. So we are responsible also to create how way forward. That is what the seminar is now, this panel discussion is meant for. Okay, the general perception is bad. But how do you improve it? How do you take it forward? Is more than anybody. We have to first set right our home. Be it anybody, you are working as a professional, please put your firm foot, and it does not cost money much if you are treating right from the beginning. If you are, it is not necessary that somebody has to say, you know very well, the environmental degradation takes place, but how to? Like say for example, in not all minerals do degrade earth, environment, etc. Take for example beach sand mining. It is such a nature has created and environmental conditions also stipulate simultaneous backfilling. So where we are taking a very small percentage of the total ROM, take out the minerals and take it to the mineral separation plant, but majority 80-85% we throw it back in the mined out areas immediately. The moment that tails are generated, tails are pumped back. So that way the environment is, the mined out area is closed, afforested and improved more than what it was. So such things are also is happening. And another thing, in Adilabad, we have given one mine for limestone. It is a fact that mine limestone when dug, large excavations take place. The whole area look like a, from the ground level much shallow, much deeper it has gone into. So we have created such a good condition where that whole area is acting like a tourism attraction for all the local areas. A lot of water is created there and a lot of plantation that has taken place. Maybe the whole ground has, the level has come down, but nevertheless it has, it is a pleasant, it is a pleasure to see that area where you have a lot of water, plantation. You can never imagine that a limestone mining has taken place earlier here. So such should be the will of the professionals so that we can eradicate this general perception of the common man of the mining industry. Now I just would like to take a few points. How do we take it forward? The general perception is so bad, negativities, we have to improve, we have to convert negative into positive because minerals are all the time required over the generations. So it is our duty, we cannot escape from that. So how do we take forward to improve the general conditions and maximize the mineral requirement to the nation for the economic growth? Is we have to start right from the geological explorations. Today, the GSI, age-old organization, definitely has done a good job, but in today's time, I do not know whether it has not able to in tune with the times. They are still taking even 10-15 years gold exploration. There is a team, that team is allotted for gold exploration. But you please give exploration licenses to the private. Exploration is also part of their job. Let them create, let them search, let them spend money, let them bring out exploration reports, geology. I quantify the reserves in its category, various categories identified under UNFC classification. Let them spend money for exploration because it is a dead investment unless the minerals located are properly quantified, qualitative, quantitative assessment is made.